How to disable and turn off Profanity filter on VK app. In order to do so, you may follow this step. So first thing is open up the VK app and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, tap on the three dot at the top and this menu appears. Now from the given menu, select the option called settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on settings, you will be finding these options. Now from the given option, select the option called app settings. And after selecting app settings, from app settings, you may scroll down and then head over to this option called other, where you'll be finding Profanity filter with enable and disable option. So all you gotta do is simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, there you'll be finding this toggle option. In order to turn it off, simply tap on this toggle option and turn it off. And once you do, that is how you basically do it. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.